Ready to step up your sneaker game without breaking the bank? Let's dive into how to use Pandabuy to score those dream shoes. First, head over to pandabuy.com and create an account. It's free and easy. Once you're in, use the search bar to find the shoes you're after. You can search by name, brand, or even paste a link from another site. Now comes the fun part, browsing. Pandabuy has a huge selection, so take your time, pay attention to the sellers' ratings and reviews. They're key to finding reliable suppliers. Size matters, especially when buying internationally. Double-check the size chart provided by the seller and convert it to your US or EU size. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Quality check is crucial. Look closely at the product photos. Do they seem legit? Does the stitching look clean? Don't be afraid to ask the seller for more pictures if you're unsure. Pandabuy offers quality check photos where their agents will take photos of your purchase so you can confirm if you're happy with the product. If you want extra confidence, you can pay for additional quality checks from Pandabuy before shipping. This is a great way to catch any flaws or inconsistencies. Once you're happy, it's time to ship. Pandabuy offers various shipping options, each with different costs and delivery times. Consider factors like speed and price when choosing. Keep in mind that you might have to pay customs fees when your shoes arrive in your country. Factor these costs into your budget to avoid any surprises. And that's it. You've successfully navigated Pandabuy and are now ready to rock your new kicks. Happy shopping! And don't forget to like and subscribe for more sneaker saving tips.